Hello everyone, welcome to the shorts. Today I am discussing important polity questions. Let's start the question number 149. A money bill passed by the Lok Sabha has to be passed by the Rajya Sabha within option A 14 days, B 28 days, C 42 days, D 60 days. The correct answer option number A 14 days. Under Article 110 define the money bill. Question number 150. The Rajya Sabha can have a maximum strength of option A 200, B 210, C 250, D 260. The correct answer option number C 250. The article related with Rajya Sabha is 80. Question number 151. Who holds office during the pleasure of the President? Option A Speaker of Lok Sabha, B Prime Minister, C Election Commissioner, D Governor. The correct answer option number D Governor. Under Article 153 related with Governor. Question number 152. The Union Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to option A Prime Minister, B Rajya Sabha, C President, D House of People is also known as Lok Sabha under Article 81. Question number 153. Which tax is levied by the state government only? Option A entertainment tax, B wealth tax, C income tax, D corporation tax. The correct answer option number A entertainment tax. Question number 154. Which of the following is not a writ issued by a superior court to an inferior court? Option A prohibition, B mandamus, C certiorari, D quo warranto. The correct answer option number D quo warranto. Under article Supreme Court has 32 related with writs and High Court related writs 226. Question number 155. Which were incorporated in the Constitution by an amendment? Option A directive principle, B fundamental duties, C fundamental right, D none of these. The correct answer option number B fundamental duties. We are borrowed from Russia, and 42nd Amendment 1976 we added fundamental duty with the recommendation of Swarn Singh Committee. And article related with fundamental right is 12 to 35 we are borrowed from USA, and directive principle we are borrowed from Ireland, and article related with